Hi everyone, here I'm gonna share you a memorable experience from Elephant's Nature Park. Here I got a chance to spend time with this gentle giant, feeding them basket of fruit, observing them in their natural habitat while they are exploring their newborn freedom, foraging, playing in the mud, and bathing in the river. So enjoy the vlog!
And send to you and let you see an idea. I can tell you even how far from this place to this place and how many minutes drive. I know details. So let's make a better plan next time. Not sure what they're doing,
Oh my God.
but they don't have any saddle on their back. Have nothing on their back.
Okay.
Some place they also do.
Wow, welcome to the elephant camp where you can get close to the elephants.
This is the female elephant named Sinuan. Sinuan, she's the biggest elephant here.
Oh,
This is the biggest. Yeah, this is the
Oh.
biggest. Her name is Sinuan. Sinuan, we don't have any food for you. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
no food, no food. Bye.
Sorry.
Bye.
Sorry. This one blind. She's blind. The one with the girl. She's blind. She one of the very first elephant that like rescued like many years ago since the project start. So she's both eye blind. And another one, she was stepped on the landmine. You can see her foot. She have a broken foot.
Is both eyes blind?
Meadow?
No, this matter. This one, the big one is Jogia, and the broken leg is.
Yeah, sure.
But they allowed to do this only after work, not only working time. At the working time, they have to be on everything and then sell. At the end of the month, we do summary. This person sell how many they get, something and money direct back to them. This is one project that we support to work at.
And they serve the vegetarian food for the volunteer and for the visitors here. It's all vegetarian here. Wow, so lovely. On the second day, we are heading to Elephant Highlands, where we're having a spectacular mountain views while watching the elephants graze. Having activities such mountain walk with elephants, preparing their food, feeding them, and bathing with elephants is such amazing experience. Here we go.
Having a nice morning. so.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Wajahmu tak akan pernah ku lupa.